Every semester starts the same way: new timetable, new notebooks, big motivation. But slowly, assignments piles up. Exams come closer, deadlines clash, and suddenly everything feels out of control. But what if I tell you AI can organize your entire semester? Classes, study plans, assignments, revision, exams automatically. Today, I'll show you step by step how students are using AI to stay stress free the whole semester. Most students don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they are disorganized. You try to remember deadlines in your head. You plan studies, अरे यार कल से कर लेंगे. You revise only when exams are near. The result? Missed submissions, poor revision, burnout. What students actually need is not motivation, but a system. This is where AI changes everything. AI doesn't just answer questions. It can design your full semester plan, break syllabus into weekly goals, schedule assignments in exams, create revision timetables, and even adjust when you fall behind. Think of AI as your personal academic manager. Step 1 is to collect and understand your semester data. Step 1 is not planning. Step 1 is clarity. Most students already have the information: syllabus, PDFs, exam notices, assignment dates, but it's all scattered. AI helps you to convert that mess in a clear structure. Which tools we can use for this? The best AI tools are ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Now, why these tools? Because they're best at understanding long texts, your syllabus PDFs, converts messy info into structured plans, and customizable prompts. Create full semester study plan. Once AI understands your semester, you ask it to design the entire roadmap. No daily pressure and weekly direction. This is what removes anxiety. Which tool we can use for this? The best AI tools are ChatGPT or Notion AI. And why these tools? Because they are gives the long-term planning and week-by-week logic and flexible time blocks. Step 3. Assignment breakdown and deadline control. Assignments don't fail students. Poor breakdown does. AI converts one big deadline into small, stress-free steps. Which AI tools you can use for this? They are Notion AI, TaskEdit, and ClickUp AI. Now, why these tools? Because they do task decomposition, timeline tracking, and visual progress. Step 4. Automatic calendar and reminders. Planning is useless if it stays inside your head. AI plus calendar is equals execution. Your phone becomes your accountability partner. Which tools you can use for this? You can use Google Calendar plus AI Assistant. Now why? Because they are real-time reminders, it syncs with your mobile, and it gives visual clarity. Step 5. AI-powered notes and lecture summaries. Students waste hours rewriting notes. AI listens once and creates clean, structured notes for you. Which AI tools you can use? So these are the tools: NotebookLM or Uter or Samly. And why these tools? Because they convert the lecture into notes, gives the summarization, and gives the concept clarity. Step 6. Smart revision and exam preparation. Revision decides ranks. AI tells you what to revise and when to revise. Which are the tools you can use for this? So they are Anki plus AI and ChatGPT. Now why these tools? Because they give spaced repetitions, they generate the flashcard, and they give big topic focus. Step 7. Fall behind? AI readjusts. Life happens. AI doesn't judge, it recalculates. Which AI tools you can use? You can use ChatGPT or Notion AI. Step 8. Minimal tool stack. It's very important. See, more tools don't mean better results. One planning AI, one calendar, one notes app. That's enough. I am giving you here the quick tool summary. Say, if you want to analyze the syllabus, then use ChatGPT. For semester planning, you can again use ChatGPT, or else you can use Notion AI. For assignments, you can use Notion AI. For calendar, simply use Google Calendar. For notes, you can use NotebookLM. And for revision, you can use Anki plus AI. So friends, if you want the exact AI prompts and free semester planner template, comment semester. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.